everybody, this is the Universe of Steven, and today we are going to talk about the Room for Ruby. By the way, this is my first video, so thanks for everybody that is seeing this. Okay, we start. Room for Ruby is going to air on the 10th of March, and one thing that it's been discussed in many videos is that Garnet will split up. I don't think that this will happen because Garnet only splits up in deathly situations. So I don't think this is going to happen. But if this happens, I think that Ruby will ask for some space in his room. Okay, maybe. So another thing that could happen is that the gems have already bubbled the rubies, and Steven secretly let Eyeball free for ask for answers, and Eyeball somehow escapes and entering Ruby's room. Maybe. Another thing could happen is that the gems have bubbled the rubies, and Steven wants the rubies to be free, and Steven starts to look for a place where the rubies could live, and the rubies go with him. I don't know, maybe. Okay, so these are my thoughts. Let the comments below. I don't know if I'm going to do another video after the preview, or well, I don't know. Thanks everybody. Goodbye.